Now, the biggest question is, who is responsible for this divorce that is underway? Umama kaNtuthuko asked for the husband ukuthi lalela sengifuna isihlukaniso because ngiyabona ukuthi wena ufuna ukuba nalo muntu wesifazane. So count me out in this kind of things. I don't want to be involved. I don't want to be part of it. On the other hand, uDintle is pressing very hard. Now the question is it Dintle's problem or uNhloso's problem? Or is it the wife's problem? Because nje kuvele kuhlangahlangene ngophezu kwaloko umama kaNtuthuko usesibhedlela, and still when she wakes up she still say, you know what, ngayisho lento le ukuthi ngisafuna isihlukaniso, and I still stand by that. But then again, the question is she gonna stay, is she gonna leave, or is she gonna do it for the kids? Asas, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal. Sanibonani, abshit molweni, minjani, hipokile hingongwini namuhla kala kodwa Scandal hikuma korosula sithamise kahle, looking at the fact that Nkosi yami umthunzi mayiza, Nkosi yami, he is on the highest note yokuskema abantu. So khona lo mama lo ufikile lana, the mother, lo mama lo apparently agaboni telling everyone else, but it looks like umama lo uyabona kahle umuntu ophelele, and then she has to lie. Umama ke umgwinyati, and then went to Semidi, started explaining about her mother, and it looks like the mother that they're explaining and what Semidi knows is two different people. Now Semidi sometimes gets surprised with how ulo mama lo waze kanjani ukuthi amanzi aku on this side. And she was like, no, my senses are very strong. Upoko, okay. Bogo's mom decided unenkinga izimali. She goes ukuthi she must go and pay her debt, but she's not doing that. Umakoti was like, I'll give you the 1.5 that you're looking for, but you need to promise me that you're going to tell me everything that I need to know. Oh well, did she? Now she gave her the 1.5 that she was asking for, and then she went and paid 500 rand, and then she took the other 1,000 rand ayodlala ngayo my game. In my mind, I think like she went ayodlala my game trying to multiply the money. Oh boy, did it not go down? It went down because Upot also had to bring people with bamthathe bamkhiphele ngaphandle, and that was not nice. On the other hand, again, uNhloso ke uDintle is trying to get hold of uNhloso, and uNhloso is just trying to deal with this thing yokuthi unkosikazi wakhe ufuna ukuhamba, and uDintle is calling non-stop, wathumela message uthi lalela Dintle, not now please, not now. And then this is hurting uDintle because now when umama kaNtuthuko collapsed, she was talking to uDintle saying, I hope manje uyajabula ukuthi indoda sewuyitholile yakho, so you can do nanoma yini othanda ngayo. So now the problem is uDintle is not feeling too well about it, and now uNhloso is nowhere to be found.